Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by mapping the floor and prioritizing what earns the space. Measure aisles, fixtures, and windows so you can plan to the inch. This reduces surprises during execution. Decide which categories get the most visibility based on sales data and assign percentage of floor area to each. Once done, draw primary customer flow and sightlines to guide fixture placement, because you want high-margin or impulse items where shoppers naturally look first. You now install fixtures and begin merchandising with intent. Set anchors like end caps and gondolas where the map sightlines fall. These drive traffic. Make facings consistent. 3 to 4 facings per SKU is a good baseline, and group items by demand, usage, or color so shoppers understand options quickly. Make sure to add clear signage and price tags. Readable cues guide decisions and reduce staff questions, which improves conversion and speed at checkout. You finish by auditing and refining the layout to lock in results. Run a 1-week audit tracking sales by fixture and observing traffic patterns. Adjust spacing or product mix where congestion or low engagement appears. Train staff on restocks, rotation, and how to answer product questions so the plan endures. Troubleshooting. If an area underperforms, swap a high-visibility SKU or reduce clutter. Make the change for 72 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.